Guys, it's me, Anna. So I'm doing a, wait a second. Okay, that's a little better because there's a bunch of background music. So I'm going to be making butterfly slash fluffy slime that you already know because you saw that in the video, okay? So all you're going to need is some Model Magic and lotion, okay? And I'm just going to use a little bit of these lotions and all of this Model Magic. So first thing you need to do is take this out, okay? Why would they put a pack in a pack? Okay, and this is how much came with it. These, bro. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix these up. Look, let me show you how it is. Oh! Take two. Okay, so as you can, so this is like a before and after, and that's not really stretchy. Like, see? Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of body lotion. Okay. And then it's going to lather it. And we're going to see if this works. Well, yeah, we're going to see if this works because I watched a girl on YouTube do it and hers was really good. This might be a total fail, or this might work out great. So just keep on like taking pieces and like playing with them and making them like one whole piece, okay, until it is okay. So I've been putting them together and this is how it's kind of going. It's kind of getting stretchier, but I'm just gonna keep taking pieces and adding it so that can become one piece. It's getting more stretchier, as you can see. Like, oh. But it's getting more stretchier. Like, it wasn't that stretchy before. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and mix. Okay, I'm just gonna mix the rest of these up and yeah.